Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this one it's all about a PDF and a file I've been putting together to try out some free, really high value content and some information all about AI and automation, which if you're new, the whole new thing about the advertising company I'm running, we do meta ads and social media management. But to try and modernize it, do the new way of things, I'm trying to implement some AI and automation into people's DMs using ManyChat. So if you've ever opted in for a free guide by commenting the word guide of an Instagram post, for example, then this is definitely what they use and this is how they do it. They click onto buttons or you roll dice, or they make it really interactive to try and convert more people over. So that's what we're going to do, and I'm putting together the PDF and I'll show you that in a moment. Yeah, if you're new, I'm 15, about to turn 16 in a few weeks' time. And I'm all about documenting my whole journey of me trying to get towards my version of success and try my absolute best to show everything on here, to show that I was disciplined, determined, and really driven towards one particular business or a goal or something else related. But here's the PDF in a short, quick look. So here, as you can see, let me just lower the brightness of the screen. Here, as you can see, it's all about DM automation. Here's a sneak preview. You're the first people to ever see this previewed so far, and I think I'm going to launch this actually as a WOP. So people opt into the WOP, they get the free guide. Like I said, I'm all about providing so much free value. For me, it's not just about taking the money off people or clients and providing an average result. I want to provide so much value before any money is even taken. And even when it is taken, that we get the best results out there. We're the most efficient agency and most efficient company that is out there. Our results are uncomparable to any other company, and we are the most efficient and client satisfaction based company possible. And that's what I want to aim for. I want to be, our clients need to be so happy with the stuff that we're doing, whether it's with our reporting or the service we're actually providing or something else related. We need to make sure that we are the best at it. And we are just uncomparable out there. And I know that's a big saying, something that's quite a big ask, but we're definitely going to get there with, me just keep on improving, both in myself and in the company. Those things should come along. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but I'm more than prepared to put in the work that is required to actually achieve that goal. And so as far as the PDF goes, I'm still outreaching to people on Instagram and people on social media, all about if they would like to have 3 free weeks of our service. So we do meta ads, we do social media management, and now we do AI and automation in their DMs, trying to convert or even get people to sign up to a free PDF or a free guide that eventually leads them to a mentorship or a course or a program or something of that nature. So that's what I'm currently doing. That's what I'm looking to help people with. So with the outreach on Instagram, I'm just starting off with a nice conversation. I'm not trying to mislead anyone, just seeing where they're at, and if I think that I can help them, then I'll put in the proposal or ask them if they want to join a video call or a voice call or something like that. And that's how I'm doing it currently. So that's what, and I've had a few people reply. I've hopped onto a few video calls actually, but I don't think anyone yet, no one yet has been interested. No one yet's opted in for the 3 free weeks. So it's literally 3 weeks completely free of social media management, meta ads. If they did want to actually run the ads, it would come out of their own ad spend, but our service and our work in itself is free. And the AI and automation, and we'll do that all for 3 weeks for free, but no one yet has opted in. No one's been interested, so I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep trying, and perhaps, like I've mentioned before, if I want to do a free masterclass to talk all about meta ads and AI and automation together, if I gain enough interest, and I can put a bunch of influencers or a bunch of people into that masterclass, and then I can talk about it from there. And then at the end, there's no sales pitch sort of idea. It's just we say, if you want to work with us, you can. If you don't want to, you absolutely don't have to. That's the approach I want to take. I don't want to be pushy or feel like if you come to this free masterclass, you have to join our agency, because that's not what it's about at all. It's all about, can we provide a lot of free value? And if the answer is yes, then the job's already done. And that's what I'm looking to do, both with the free masterclass talking about this, if I gain enough interest, and the PDF that will be on WOP. As you can see, all about DM automation, how to run automations, how to get set up with it, how to integrate AI or ChatGPT or something that you have into it to make sure that you're optimizing for it and make sure that it's the best it possibly can be. But yeah, this is the first time I've ever shown it. I think you're the first people to get a quick glance at it, so shall we go over it in a bit more detail? Hang on. So chapter 1, there's multiple chapters in here. So why DMs are the future of marketing, and everything just about DMs, automation, AI, and that kind of idea. So it's really powerful for coaches, influencers, and online brands, and they're the niche that I'm targeting by contacting influencers on Instagram at the moment. So this is sort of a preview of the guide of the PDF. So here's everything you'll learn. You know how to build automations that respond, use AI, turn comments into conversations, funnels, sell without actually being pushy, book more calls. And it's from beginners or intermediate people or even advanced people that already know how to run automations, or perhaps want to just scale and make their automations that they currently have a lot better, a lot more efficient. That's the video for today. I'll thank you very much for watching. Remember to take it one step at a time, and I'll see you in the next one.